Let's show you how to assemble the bracket and chamber for double-sitting model uDR. Firstly, let's assemble the round frame of the top and bottom. When you hear click, you assemble it well. Now the two round frames are ready. The next step is tighten the screws. Assemble the standing frame. It is easy to assemble the bracket, just be patient. Using the tool would be faster. The last step is to assemble the top round frame. Let's show you how to use the hammer in the bracket. The chamber body would have metal ring to ham in this hammer. Open the carton box and take the chamber and accessories out. We offer all the accessories to ensure the hyperbaric chamber works well. Hamming the chamber on the bracket. The chamber body is big and heavy, so you may need the other's help. For the other hammer ring on the chamber, we use rope. Let's show you how to use the rope. This kind of rope is quite strong. They have wooden bottom board to avoid chamber moving. It is better that you can assemble the bottom board at the beginning. Put the board inside the chamber bottom and zip up. This is the ready chamber and bracket. Looks nice. Let's teach you how to connect the oxygen concentrator. One oxygen outlet and one air outlet. If you want to remove the tube, press the round neck first. Then it is finished and hyperbaric chamber is ready. Turn on the oxygen concentrator. It will start inflation. You can adjust the mode like inflation or oxygen therapy. You can set in the oxygen flow or the oxygen therapy time. The user can put couch or sofa inside the chamber. This is the inside chamber view. Large space for 2 persons. This is the custom size as required.
这模式变的。